Warning, warning, warning. Proceed with caution.
Well, that could have gone worse. Never too late to have it all go wrong. And the other thing I'm going to wear is ear protection, which I have right in the garage that I just closed. It's good enough for who it's for. Let's go. It's not that far of a fall. I'll be all right. Hello everybody, this is going to be a fun day. We're doing something for the first time here today. We are going to fell a tree. Fell a tree is what you say to cut down a tree, typically using a chainsaw. Something of which I have never done. Why the heck would I? I'm from California. We don't do a lot of felling over there. So here's the tree in question. Unfortunately, we had something come through our neighborhood. I think they called it Texas root rot, which is what killed the trees. And then we had a whole bunch in our whole neighborhood all up and down the road that we actually had one that was right over here, right there, and it actually fell down right in the middle of the street. We were out of town when it happened, but fortunately nobody got hurt, no cars were hit, nothing like that, but we wanted to make sure this one came down before it did. What I'm going to be using the tools that I'm using to do this are the Wen 16-inch electric chainsaw. This is what I bought. It's a model 4017. It's electric. Not like a Boogaloo, but it is electric. Here's your oil fill. Here's your tension for your chain. This is where you take this off. You connect the runner bar and the chain inside, and that's what we're using. It was $55 on Amazon. 55 bucks. I've never done this. I've never run a chainsaw. I've never felled a tree. I've never trimmed a tree. So we're gonna get after it and give it a try. Here we go. Let me look at my approach. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to clean up this branch here first, which will give me room to get over towards the other branches after that. It's good enough for who it's for. Let's go. All right, gives me some more space to work in here. Probably just trim this up as I go. This tree sadly used to be a lot bigger. It was a lot thicker, which is all part of the dying process, I suppose. But it used to be a big full tree with a huge canopy. It would provide shade to the whole part of our house and stuff. It was really nice. So we were really bummed to see it go. Really bummed to see it go. But, you know, got to do what you got to do. Get a rope on this branch here and cut that one off. I guess we didn't need such a long rope.
No, not a bit.
Okay. You ready? Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, a couple more times. Out of the way, I don't think we need to tie this one off because they're pretty light, but
Are you sure?
yeah. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. Marry up, folks. You marry the smart ones. Marry the smart ones. And better looking if possible. Obviously I won in both categories. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It's not that far of a fall. I'll be all right. Well, here goes nothing. You ready? Because I'm right-handed, so I need to be able to come in at a good angle. All right, you ready?
Never too late to have it all go wrong.
Well, here goes nothing. It could very well hit me, but we'll be all right. We'll. Boom! All right, here we go. Well, it's a lot steeper than I wanted to go, but it is what it is because I don't know what I'm doing. All right, here goes nothing. Coming.
That was loud.
Whew. Well, that could have gone worse.
Yep.
That definitely could have gone worse.